Let's listen to the call of the wild turkey. Please welcome the call of the wild turkey here, Joe Ireland, Amy Kelleher, and Becca Haley.
Well, we are gathered here today to celebrate the beautiful American holiday of Thanksgiving.
Dress up Thanksgiving, I love costumes.
Lord in heaven, source of all goodness and love, please look kindly upon us and receive our heartfelt gratitude in this time of giving thanks. Yes, I did just say Thanksgiving backwards.
I did can't say money was real cute and special. I love it.
Also, thank you for the wild American turkey and for my beautiful wife, Mary Lee.
Oh, Mary, you're making me blush.
Mary, let me finish praying. Oh, I just want to get to eating this big old turkey.
Oh, how big is it, you say?
If I had to take a gander, I guess maybe 5.5 to 18 pounds, which is typical of this breed.
What the what? Why you all up in my bronze green iridescent plumage, man?
Hey, this turkey's supposed to be dead.
I must have killed it, but I hit on the wrong.
Wrong? Oh, you best not be talking about my majestic tail feathers that are broadly tipped with white or rusty colors.
Huh? Excuse me? Can we not use such foul language?
Yeah, you heard what the lady said. Why are you being so rude and savage? Aren't you supposed to be one of the two domesticated birds in America?
Oh, you want to be polite now? Oh, I see. Okay, then can I put forth that it really ruffles my tail feathers, all 6,000 of them, when you call me a turkey. Okay, I prefer to be referred to as Meleagris scalapavo.
Okay, Malagogo. Well, I am really enjoying getting to know you, but I'm getting quite hungry, so can we get to the eating?
Oh, no thanks, I'm stuck.
I don't think you understood my wife. You must not be from around here.
Well, actually, I have relatives that live on forest grounds of 49 states, excluding Alaska, and Mexico and Canada, so pardon me, but I think I understood just fine, thank you.
I'm sorry. Did you just tell us to pardon you? I'm not the president. Pardon turkeys.
Yeah, what's got you thinking you're so high and mighty? Who told you was the national bird? Benjamin Franklin?
Oh, good one, honey.
Well, that's just a trivia for the two of you. Actually, Benjamin did want me to be the national bird. Stupid eagle.
You are a smart turkey. Shoot.
No! Please don't shoot! No, I'm sure I get my rich taste from my large stature and my diet of nuts and plants, but I'm not actually that tasty. I mean, I'm actually quite a repulsive bird. Smell my wing.
Oh, I love turkey wings.
No, I swear, I'm actually a quite disgusting bird. You know, you can tell by my J-shaped species. Oh, sorry. Wild American turkeys actually defecate in something that, like a shape that indicates their gender. So males tend to defecate in a swirly shape, and females tend to defecate in a J shape. That's right, you don't need me.
What did I say about using party language at the table?
Well, actually, I've come to the decision that I'm still going to eat you.
No, giblets! No, this is a little too stressful for me, so I'm going to fly away now. I'm such a bird brain. I thought that most wild American turkeys are actually too fat to fly. We've actually doubled in size since the 1930s.
Sorry. No,
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much.